Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm making this homemade cherries ice cream. I do hope you sit back, relax and enjoy. So I already de-seed these cherries and I'm adding this to my blender here, and I'm adding some condensed milk. This is just a 3-ingredient ice cream that you'd love so much. So I'm going to set this aside. Then I'm adding some whipping cream to my bowl, some vanilla extract, and I will be whipping this for a while until it forms. Once that forms, I'm going to be mixing and combining my cherries in there, and I will be mixing it to get that consistency. And I'm adding more cherries here. You can add as many as you want. It's healthy, it's fresh cherries. So now you want to add it to a freezable container. Yeah, and I'm topping it with more and more cherries. Then at this point, you can freeze up to 8 hours. And voila, it's ready to enjoy. You can scoop this and have it as it is. You can add some nuts. You can add some granola to enjoy it. Whatever you choose. I do hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do recreate this, please let me know, and if you have other ideas, please share in the comment section. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.